Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. This is a really exciting one because the new Dina Wakley release came in the post yesterday and I've just had to start creating with it. It's I've seen lots of other people on Instagram saying what an inspirational release it is. The colours, the stencils, everything is just fabulous. So I'm playing in my craft journal, so no surprises there. Little bit obsessed with it, as you know. Started off by adding some gesso across the middle of the page, and then I'm using this old stencil by Dina Wakley. I think it's called Circles for Painting, and I'm just using a baby wipe just to remove a little bit of the gesso through the stencil. Then once that was dry, I'm using some of the new collage tissue paper. This one is called Text Collage. It's one of the pieces from that pack. I'm just adding a few pieces of that onto the background as well, just to start to break up the background that's there. I'm using gel medium to put those down, and then I am using some of the gloss sprays. So the first one that I did was Orchid. That is one of the brand new ones, and then I used Rouge and also Sky. And then I'm just building up the gloss sprays as I go along. This is a new stencil also from the new release. This is called Lattice, and I'm just using that with a bit more rouge there. So next I decided that I wanted to do some stenciling, but I wanted to use the gloss spray colour. So I used a bit of gesso, mixed a bit of the new Orchid gloss spray into it, and using a blending tool, I'm just putting that through the Lattice stencil, just to add some more interest to the background as well. It reminds me of honeycombs, this stencil. I really like it. Then this is some more collage paper from Things That Grow pack. This is another one of the new release from Dina Wakley, and I'm just sticking these in place using some matte gel medium. I don't know why I said that. It's gloss sprays, isn't it? Confusing my poor tiny brain. So I'm just sticking these down, and I'm just going to put one over on the right hand side as well, just to sort of balance the page a little bit. And then I was going to put some text in the middle. So just using the Stabilo All and just darkening some of the areas and extending the stems where they weren't quite long enough to reach. And then I decided that I was going to paint with the gloss sprays. So I'm just going to fill in the flowers, add some colour onto those. And I decided I would just dip my brush straight in because they're so unpredictable when you try to tip them out. I've had so many calamities where more has poured out than I ever meant to put out. And if you're careful, you can get them back in if you're trying to pour them into a little tray like the one I've got on the right hand side there. So I've used the Orchid and also the one, the green one that's called Sage, oh my days, and just use that on the leaves as well. Then you noticed I just popped some more bits of collage paper down. They were from the Things That Grow set. They're just the dots. And then I've just stamped some of these words. These are from the stamp set called Stencil Alphas, which is also part of the new release. Dear me, I think I need to stop talking. So I'm sticking these in place with the matte gel medium. Sometimes I do just feel like you just need to breathe in and breathe out. Obviously, it's very important, but I think sometimes just to give yourself space to take a moment. Life can get busy and hectic, can't it? And I think that's very important to remember, that it is important to give yourself space to take a moment, and that's definitely what art journaling does for me. It gives me that space and a moment to breathe. And there we go, there's the finished page. So there will be more of these pages using this new release from Dina Wakley. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.